Hi children, how are you? Fine. Okay, in this lesson we are going to learn about houses. Houses. Children, where do we live? We all are living in a house. We all are living in a house. A house where we live with our family is our home, isn't it? Where we live with our family is our home. A house keeps us safe and protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust and also wild animals, isn't it? And a house has a roof, walls, doors, and windows. Isn't it? See in this picture, roofs are there, windows, and doors also are there, walls. Okay, there are different rooms in a house for different uses. And roofs is protect us for sunlight and rain, isn't it? And door is protects us for thief and wild animals. And window through window inside came fresh air and sunlight, isn't it? Yes, and different rooms. See in house In our house are having different rooms like living area, hall, kitchen, bedroom. In hall, children play freely. In kitchen we cook delicious food, isn't it? Yes, in bedroom you can sleep and take a rest. No, you can sleep freely and taking rest in the bedroom. Yes. So now next is new topic. Materials used to make a house. Material used to make houses. Okay. See how people made a good and beautiful house. Okay. Let us discuss about houses. Here mainly two types of houses. Okay, one is Pakka house and one is Kacha house. Okay, Pakka house is also called a bungalow. See, this is bungalow and apartment also called a Pakka house. Bungalow and Pakka house is called a bungalow and apartment is called also a Pakka house. People made up of different types of houses by using different materials. Pakka house are made up of bricks. This is bricks and cement. This is cement and wood. This is wood sticks. This is you can made door windows. Okay, and iron. This is used for roofs and windows. They are strong and are mostly found in cities and towns. Okay, Pakka house are mostly found in towns and cities. Kacha house. Kacha house made up of mud, straw, wood, leaves and bamboos. Okay, Kacha house oftenly sloping roof. Kacha house is not a very strong house and Kacha house is also not a very costly and Kacha house is not a generally sorry, Kacha house also generally found in villages. Okay, Kacha house is made up of mud, straw, wood. isn't it, children? Okay. Hut. Hut also called a kacha house. Okay. Hut is also called a kacha house. Kacha house. A hut is made up of with leaf, mud. It has a strong, very strong roofs. This is roofs. See here. Okay. Mostly it has only one room in it. Okay. And tent. Tent is also example of kacha house. Okay. A tent is made up of cloth or canvas, and a tent can be taken from one place to another place. Okay. So it is a movable house. This tent is mostly used in forest and also used in wild campings. Okay. Understood, children? Now, types of roofs. Okay. Types of roofs. Here, two types of roofs. Okay. One is flat roof and another one is sloping roof. See in this picture here, one is flat roof and one is sloping roof. Okay. Sloping roof. Houses in houses in mountains or areas of a heavy rainfalls mostly have sloping roofs. Okay. Where heavy rains there people made only sloping roofs. Okay. Because it can easily move to rain. Okay. This allows the snow or water to slide off easily. Why means that people build sloping roofs? Because in such areas heavy rainfalls and snowfalls can move easily. Okay. Like this. See, sloping roof like this. Okay. People are made sloping roofs there. Okay. And flat roof. See, first see this picture. Flat roof. Houses found in a plain or dry areas. Mostly found in dry areas for flat roofs. Flat roofs example of our cold local areas. Isn't it, children? You can see in local areas almost flat roofs because here no heavy rain falls. Rainy season only, rainy season time only it's rain. Okay. Yes or no? Yes. Flat roofs are mostly having a dry areas. Isn't it, children? Okay, see. You can see in this full picture. Okay. This is flat. Upside you can see flat roof. Okay. Here sloping roof. See, this is bungalow. This is it has sloping roof. Here easily moving rain and snow. See this mountain areas and almost Ooty area and Chinapunji. There mostly weather is cold and rainy. That's why their people are making uh, like this sloping roofs. Okay, children, you can understood these types of roofs. Okay, bye.